How to boost a Facebook post. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application, tap on your profile icon, scroll down, and then locate the post that you want to boost. Make sure your account is a business account or a professional account. If that is the case, you will get an option of boost post in your post automatically. Simply tap on boost post, select the goal. Now select all the category, select your budget, and then tap on add your payment method. After everything is done, simply go to boost post now and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.